You're at a bar or a coffee shop or just walking through the city on a regular Tuesday afternoon, and you see her. And the second you see her, something happens inside your chest. A little spike of energy, a little pull toward her, like your body already made the decision before your brain caught up. And for a second, you think about walking over there. You think about it. And then you don't, because the voice starts. What do I even say? What if she thinks I'm weird? What if she has a boyfriend? What do I do now? Was that something, or was I just imagining it? Why does this always happen to me? Sound familiar? Here's what nobody ever told you. She didn't pull away because of what you did. She pulled away because of what she felt. Not loud confidence, not fake confidence, not flexing at the gym confidence, but quiet, grounded, I know who I am confidence. Most guys think attraction starts when you win her attention, but the real truth is way deeper than that. Attraction doesn't start when you win her attention. It starts when you master your presence. And here's the thing, your confusion about this, it's not your fault. Nobody ever explained how this actually works. You're not broken. You're not crazy. You're not missing some secret. Most guys feel exactly this, and nobody ever explains why. By the end of this video, you're going to know exactly what creates that deep magnetic pull. Not tricks, not tactics, but the inner shift that changes how every woman sees you. Let's get into it. Mindset reframe. Most guys believe attraction is about what you say, the words you use, the perfect line, the smooth move. But here's the thing, that's completely wrong. The real truth is, women don't fall for effort, they fall for energy. Here's what I mean. Every single woman you've ever been attracted to, that pull you felt, that moment you knew something was there, that wasn't triggered by your words. It was triggered by what she sensed the second you walked into her space. Her energy shifts. Her gut tells her something is off, or something is different. And here's the part nobody talks about. Most guys are so focused on what to say next that they completely forget to be present. They're in their own head, performing, trying to impress her, scanning for her reaction. And the second that happens, the real connection dies. Because women don't fall for the guy who tries the hardest. They fall for the guy who seems completely unbothered. They fall for the guy who is already gone in his own head, not thinking about her, not worried about impressing her, just there, solid, grounded. That energy, that presence, that's what's magnetic. And once you understand this, really understand it, everything changes. Because now you're not chasing her attention. You're mastering yourself. And that shift, that's what makes her lean in, want more, and start trying to figure out why you feel so different. This isn't about tactics. This is about who you're becoming. Main body. Most guys treat conversation like a test they have to pass. They scramble for the perfect thing to say, and when nothing comes, panic sets in. So they ramble. They fill the silence. They talk just to fill the space. Here's the thing nobody tells you. Conversation isn't a performance. It's a dance. And the silence between words, that's where the rhythm lives. When you can sit in the silence without rushing to fill it, when you can just exist in the moment with her without needing to prove anything, she feels something shift. Here's what changes everything. She's used to every guy rushing to impress her. She's used to guys who can't handle 10 seconds of quiet without getting nervous. But you're different. You don't need the conversation to keep going. You can sit in the silence and not feel like you have to rescue it. And when she feels that, when she senses that calm presence in you, she leans in. She's trying to figure out why you feel so grounded, why you're not performing, why you seem so settled. And the more she tries to figure you out, the more she's already falling. Here's what most guys miss. She doesn't fall for the guy who fills every silence with words. She falls for the guy who can hold silence without needing her to make him feel okay. When you do that, when you stay present and calm, she's the one who starts feeling something. She can't explain it, but she feels it. That's the shift that turns a regular conversation into something she can't stop thinking about. Most guys approach women looking for approval. The second she doesn't respond the way they hoped, they feel the floor drop out. One cool response from her and they're already rehearsing what to say next, trying to fix it, trying to earn her attention back. Here's the psychological truth behind this. Seeking external validation, looking to her to make you feel good about yourself, kills attraction instantly. Here's why. When you seek her approval, your energy shifts downward. You start orbiting her, prioritizing her comfort over your own. trying to be whatever she wants you to be. And she can feel that. The second you look to her to feel okay about yourself, your energy changes. She senses it. Her gut is saying, something about him is different, but not in a good way. Her brain says, this guy needs me to feel good about himself. And the second she feels that, the attraction starts to fade. Here's what changes everything. You walk into every interaction already complete. Not because you're arrogant, but because you don't need her to validate you. You're okay if she doesn't respond. You're okay if she's not interested. You're grounded in who you are before she says a single word. And here's what that creates in her brain. She looks at you and thinks, this guy doesn't need me to validate him. Her brain says, this one is different. That's when something clicks. That's when she starts paying closer attention. Not because you're trying to impress her, but because you don't need to. The man who doesn't need her validation, he's the one she becomes addicted to chasing. Most guys focus entirely on what to say. They completely ignore how they're moving through the space. Here's what most guys do. They're tense. Their shoulders are up. Their jaw is tight. They're fidgeting with their drink or their phone. They're so in their head that they never notice how their body is presenting itself. And here's the thing. She's already reading it. Before you even open your mouth, her subconscious has already picked up on your body language. She feels the nervousness radiating off you. She feels the subtle energy of someone who is trying too hard. She feels the difference between a man who is grounded and a man who is performing. Here's what changes everything. Your body communicates before your mouth ever opens. When you walk into a space with your shoulders back, your breath steady, your body relaxed, she reads that. She doesn't consciously think, wow, his posture is good. She doesn't think about it at all. But her nervous system feels it, and that creates a pull she can't explain. She feels safe around you. She's not sure why yet, but she feels it. That's emotional caffeine for her brain. That sense of safety and calm energy, that's what makes her want to keep being around you. Here's the part nobody talks about. It's not about what you say. It's about the energy you're carrying in your body when you say it. She doesn't fall for perfection. She falls for presence. That grounded stillness in you, that's what she remembers after you've left. Most guys think they need to be interesting. They rehearse stories. They try to be witty. They perform some version of themselves they think she'll like. Here's the psychological truth. She doesn't fall for the guy who tries the hardest. She falls for the guy who seems the most real. Here's why. When you perform, when you try to be someone you're not, she senses it. It's not about your words. It's about the energy underneath them. If you're faking it, she feels the fakeness, and her brain says something is off. But here's what changes everything. When you drop the act and just show up, when you're genuinely curious about her, genuinely interested in what she has to say, genuinely you, she feels something different. She starts thinking, why is he different? Why does he seem so real? Why does he feel more grounded than everyone else I've met? And the second she starts asking those questions, she's already falling. She doesn't know why yet, but she feels it. The "this is different" feeling, that's the beginning of attraction. And here's what most guys completely miss. You don't need to prove anything. You just need to be real. And let her figure out on her own why you feel so different. The moment she starts trying to figure you out, that's the moment you've already won. Most guys are so focused on being impressive that they forget to actually be curious. They want to be the interesting one, the witty one, the one who says the perfect thing. They forget that women are attracted to men who are genuinely interested in them. Here's the psychological insight. Curiosity is magnetic. A man who is genuinely curious about a woman, who asks real questions, who listens, who cares about what she actually thinks, that man stands out immediately. Why? Because most guys aren't doing it. Most guys are too busy performing. Most guys are waiting for their turn to talk instead of actually listening to what she said. But you're different. You ask real questions. You listen to her answers. You remember what she says. And when she feels that genuine curiosity, when she feels like she's actually being seen, something changes in her brain. She starts replaying the conversation. She thinks, why do I keep thinking about him? She thinks, why does he feel so different? And here's the thing. The man who makes her feel curious, he's the one she can't stop thinking about. She starts wondering about him. She starts wanting to understand him. And the second she starts trying to understand you, instead of just accepting you, she's already falling. Here's what most guys get backwards. They're trying to impress her. They should be trying to understand her. Curiosity is the frame that creates genuine connection, and genuine connection is what makes her want more. Most guys think attraction is something they do to a woman. They try to impress her, charm her, win her over. But here's the deeper truth. Attraction is an exchange of energy. It's not about what you say or what you do. It's about what she feels when she's around you. Here's how it works. Every interaction is an energy exchange. When you're anxious, nervous, performing, that's the energy you put into the space. And she feels it. She's been conditioned to pick up on those frequencies. Her subconscious reads you faster than her conscious mind ever could. But here's what changes everything. When you walk into a space grounded, calm, and completely unbothered, when you're not trying to perform, not trying to impress, just present, your energy changes everything. And she feels it. She feels safe. She feels curious. She feels like something is different about you. And her brain starts asking questions. Why does his energy feel so calm? Why doesn't he need me to make him feel okay? Why do I feel so good around him? And the second she starts asking those questions, she's leaning in. She's the one who wants more. She's the one who's chasing. That's the shift. When your energy is grounded and real, she becomes the one pursuing. She becomes the one trying to figure you out. And here's what most guys completely miss. You're not trying to win her over. You're just being yourself, grounded, calm, unbothered, and letting her come to you. That's the most powerful position you can be in. That's the energy that makes women obsessed. Here's the thing nobody tells you. None of this is about tactics. None of this is about tricks or lines or games. It's about who you are at your core. Most guys are trying to perform confidence without actually feeling it, and women can tell. The moment you're performing instead of being, she feels it. Her gut says, something is off. Her brain says, this guy is trying too hard, and attraction fades. But here's what changes everything. When you stop performing and start being, when you internalize these principles so deeply that they become who you are, she feels it. She doesn't know what you said. She doesn't remember every word. She remembers how she felt around you. She remembers your energy. She remembers the way you made her feel like the only person in the room. She remembers that pull, that curiosity, that sense that you were different from everyone else. And that's what she can't stop thinking about. Here's the part nobody talks about. This isn't about impressing her. It's about becoming the kind of man who doesn't need to. This isn't about winning her attention. It's about becoming the kind of man who doesn't need it. And when you get there, when you really internalize this, you stop performing and start being. And she feels it instantly. The man who knows he's enough never has to try. Close. Here's what I want you to take away from this. This isn't about memorizing a list of tips. It's about becoming the kind of man who doesn't need one. When you stop performing and start being, when your energy, your presence, and your mindset shift at the core, she doesn't just feel attracted. She feels something she can't explain. And the second she can't explain it, she becomes the one chasing you. Stop chasing the spark. Become the flame. And if this hit for you, if you want more content that breaks down how men actually work and what creates real, deep attraction, make sure you're subscribed. I've got a lot more coming that goes even deeper. And if you want to stay connected, drop a comment below. I read every single one. See you in the next one.